Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Amy's Artistic Allure, and in this video I'm going to be drawing a step-by-step sushi, so let's get right into it. Just for the record, I have no idea what this says, so if you know what it says, comment down below. I'd love to know. And I'm gonna do this. Let's move it up a little bit. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty good. And you know what? We have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but either way, we are going to just try. Is this thick enough? No. Let's do it a little bit thicker and straighten it up. Get it a little bit more stable and see it. Is this good? No. Okay. Let's see if this is good. So earlier today, if you haven't seen my post, I finally made a little store for you guys. If you guys have any specific like details you want or ideas you guys have in mind or little like quotes, I would like to hear what you guys have to say. And I do know that my drawings aren't gonna look exactly the same as you would see in the step-by-step tutorials, but you know what? Like, honestly, who cares about that, right? It doesn't matter as long as you're having fun and maybe if you're learning something in the process. Because if you're having fun, then I think that's better than stressing out about it and not feeling the need to do it a certain way. Do you guys like sushi? Do you have any good sushi restaurants in your area, or do you make sushi at home? gonna go at the end here. I like it so far. Oh my gosh, I like it. Is this something? Okay, and did I? Yeah, I didn't think so. Like, I thought, okay, I have to change that a little bit because it's different from that color right there. Kind of like a grayish white. Okay, and I don't know if you can see it, but it looks slightly different. If you can't, then that's perfectly fine. No big deal. No worries about it. Okay, it is official. I love these step-by-step coloring. They are helping me learning how to actually color. And I noticed that there's like a purplish black shades, or maybe it's a blackish brown. Okay, it's a purplish black. I thought so. And light. Nope. Okay, just erase that. Well, it's not too much, but also it's very thin. Okay. And there's also some on the edges here, and we've got to add in some more white. Very thin strokes. And the people just out there in the world who are making these easy step-by-step tutorials, they are geniuses to me. They are so smart. Oh my god, they are so awesome. And if I knew someone out there who did work like this, then I would give them a shout out, but sadly I don't. Okay, let's fix that. Go. And then do this little white line here. Oh my god, it's actually a pink? Okay, I thought it was white. Ugh, the colors fool me every single time. Maybe you guys shouldn't trust me with the colors. Because I actually thought it was a white, but it's a pink. Okay. Oh my god, and it's magnificent. Magnificent. And you're basically just shading the corners from what I can tell. Okay. Then you do some of that. So believe it or not, I haven't been taking classes. Well, I mean, if you can consider this a class, then yes, but I haven't been going onto Skillshare or watching anyone in particular who is teaching you how to do digital art, because I have tried to understand of like, oh, okay, this is how it works. Nope, I don't. Like, I don't get it. That's not how my brain works. And everyone thinks differently and learns differently, and I've liked learning this way. I'm actually learning stuff, so that's nice for a change. And even though this isn't artist work, but still it is fun. And it's a good learning experience. But also now I want to make sushi. Like, is that a thing you guys would want to do? If you were drawing sushi or your favorite food, would you want to make it and make it right away, or would you, no, I don't want to? Because when it comes to cooking shows, for me, like I want to make something sweet, or I want to make something salty, make a yummy snack, and then I think nope, not good at all, because I get hungry too much. So, oh, what was that? Okay, I have no idea what that was, guys. I get hungry too much, so then I don't watch cooking shows anymore. But making food, like coloring food, drawing food, that has been really fun. And doesn't mean that I want to eat a lot. Okay. You know, like, it's something, guys, okay? It's something. So I'm doing this for you guys to learn stuff so I can actually color. Hopefully you guys would enjoy my videos more, but also for myself. Even though this isn't perfect, obviously, but I like it. Another cross shape, which actually that looks too dark. Let's go back. Yes, to that color. Okay. White. I actually did not see that there were shades of white. Obviously, like, there's some blending going on. Okay, so we're going to blend. Oh my god, and I almost forgot some more white. Okay, I did not see that. Okay, so you guys in the comments have got to let me know if I missed something, because I can be so oblivious to some stuff. So oblivious. Okay, now time to blend. Right, I just did a little bit of editing and then I just finished up the blending as well. Was it easy? Yes. So easy, so fun. Oh my God. And let me know what you guys would want for me to draw. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!